Welcome to the modern warehouse. Finding one specific item here is a massive challenge, right?
So you need one of these rolls, and you need it now. Searching by hand could stop everything.
The solution? This little thing. It's a UWB tag, giving each roll its own digital fingerprint.
Okay, the target's locked in digitally. Now the real search begins, and there's no guesswork involved. The workers got a clear mission. Their device just guides them right through the process. Simple. The scanner is basically sending out a signal, waiting for a reply from that one specific tag.
And they're getting warmer. The device is closing in on the exact spot in this giant space.
And bingo, the signal locks on. That's the one, right there, out of all these thousands. The system confirms it. Pinpoint accurate. No room for human error. The search is officially over. That location data gets relayed, and automation takes it from here. Now this is where it gets efficient. The forklift knows exactly where to go. It moves in and grabs the right roll. No hesitation. And that's a perfect retrieval. It's fast, it's accurate, and it's repeatable every single time. So just imagine scaling this across your entire operation. How much time could that actually save? The forklift knows